All right, here we go. It is 7:58 p.m. Central Time. And the moon is about to occult planet Mars. Mars, of course, is the small orange dot that you see below. And you can see the edge of the moon's disk, the craters, the highlands, the maria. An occultation occurs when one celestial object moves in front of another, like an eclipse, although we call it an occultation when one star occults another star, or a planet occults another planet, or in this case, the moon occulting planet Mars. So you can see here in the next couple of minutes that the edge of the moon's limb will move across planet Mars and occult it or block it from view. And this will last for several minutes, and then it'll eventually end. So the entrance of the occultation is called Ingress, and the exit is called Egress. So we're about to witness Ingress, which is the moon blocking planet Mars and occulting it. January 13, 2025, cold winter night. Snow still on the ground. And it is about 8 o'clock p.m. Central Time. And there we go. You can see the moon now starting to cover the planet Mars and occult it from view. My telescope is drifting a little bit. Hopefully I can capture this whole thing. There it goes. There it goes. It's about 50% occulted right now. And now it is slipping away from view. And in just a second, it is going to be gone. That's it. That is it, folks. Okay, I think we're getting close here. It is 9:07 p.m. Central Time. So we should start to see Mars begin to re-emerge on the back end of the moon's disk in the upper right portion if you're looking at this. And I believe you can start to see it. And again, this is Egress. In other words, the back end of the Mars occultation when it begins to emerge. And I believe I can start to see it. Actually, I told you wrong. It's in the upper left section. So you can see it there at about 10 o'clock. There it is. About 10 o'clock, this is Egress, this is Mars returning after the occultation. So you can see it there. It's a very small orange disk in the upper left portion of the moon's disk at about 10 o'clock. Again, very, very small. Let me see if I can zoom in here and get a better look here. But that is Egress. That's the back end of the Mars-Moon occultation. You can zoom in. There you can start to see it just a little bit here. You can see Mars returning. So there it is. That is Egress. It's the back end of the Moon-Mars occultation. Mars re-emerging. See if I can recenter it here. Bang, there it is. Of course, the moon is moving. It's 1 day past full, I believe. Mars is near opposition, so it's on the opposite side of the Earth than the sun is. It's prime viewing conditions for Mars. So the moon is about 240,000 miles away from Earth. Mars is about, let's see, about 56 million miles away. So that's the difference in distance between essentially the moon and Mars. So that orange disk, Mars, is about 56 million miles further away from Earth than the moon is. So, pretty amazing. But that is it, folks. January 13, the Moon-Mars occultation.